Foul, Jeff Green gets it into Durant. Here is Durant moving on Tucker. He turns, he shoots. Yes! A three!
Jaylen Brown kicks it out. Smart fakes. Inside, Tatum spins, and he puts it in.
Ginobili's on him. He's got, oh, shot! What a play by Ginobili! Knocked it away! San Antonio wins in overtime.
Green trying to get free. Cross-court pass to Green. Green blocked by Bosh. He plays at both ends of the floor. Crowder looking, throws it alley. Oh! Hayden puts it down!
Get it in for Towns. Back from McLaughlin. The bounce to the outside. The jumper. Good! It's Edwards! Big!
To shoot a spot three when after an offensive rebound.
Trae Young. Oh! From the logo! Ties it at 15 seconds.
Here comes Mitchell. Gobert! Utah takes the lead.
Dragic on Tatum. He'll pull it for three. And it is good!
Dialed in today in Washington.
Irving raising up. Oh, a little bit of jelly at the rim.
What vision? Off to the races. What do you got? Yes! LaMelo finds Montrez!
The Knicks here down the stretch. Here's Young, sizes up Gibson. Around him, shoots and hits. Trae Young taking the Knicks' heart yet again.
And their ankles. I think my ankle. I played the way that they do. They don't have the speed of a Tony Parker inside to penetrate and make it
easy.
What a pass from Curry on the hop. A behind-the-back pass by Seth Curry and Doncic.
Along with